everyone, in this video we are going to see the next important concept, that is time, speed, distance. So in this video we are going to know about how to calculate the time and how to calculate the speed and how to calculate the distance and all. This is a very important topic which is frequently asked in your bank exams, IBPS PO exams and IBPS clerk exams, as well as your campus recruitment exams also. Let's see the question one by one. Finding distance, time, speed. In this video, we are going to find distance, time and speed. Let's see the question first. A car travels at the speed of 90 km per hour. How many kilometers does it travel in 10 minutes? So, the car speed is 90 km per hour. This meaning is 1 hour the car can cover 90 km. The car can reach distance of 90 km. And how much distance the car covered in 10 minutes? What is the formula for calculating the distance? Distance is equivalent to speed into time. So what is the speed here? 90 km per hour, and what is the time taken? 10 minutes. So the speed in kilometer per hour means the time should be in hour format, but here 10 minutes. We want to convert this by hour. So by means of divide by 60, it will be converted into hours. So 1 by 6, 1 6 are 6. 1 6 are 6, therefore here 1 6 are 6, remainder 3, 5 6 are 30. The car should be covered 15 km for 10 minutes. Or else we can have another idea also. What is that meaning? 1 hour means 60 minutes. In 60 minutes, the car can cover 90 km. For 10 minutes, how long it will cover? So while doing the cross multiplication also, we can get the answer. 90 into 10, which is equivalent to 60 into x. This is the direct proportional. This is 60 means we can cancel it 60 by 30, that is 2 times, here 3 times, and this is 1 time, this is 5 times, 5 3s are 15 km. This is the indirect proportional method. Direct and indirect proportional methods. Either we can use distance is equivalent to speed into time, or we can use the direct proportional method. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Car travels 60 km in 36 minutes. At the same average speed, how far will travel in 1 hour 12 minutes? So 60 km, a car travels 60 km in 36 minutes. So first of all, in this data, we want to find out the speed of this car. Speed is equivalent to distance divided by time taken. So speed is equivalent to, what is the distance here? 60. And what is the time taken here? 36 minutes. So 36 minutes should be converted into hour. So therefore 36 by 60. So 6 6 are 36. This is 10 times. So 10 into 60 divided by 6. This is 10 times. 10 into 10. 100 km per hour is the speed of the car. The speed of the car is 100 km. Now, the car is moving at the same speed. For how much distance he covered in 1 hour 12 minutes. So, therefore, the speed of the car is 100 km per hour. Time taken is 1 hour 12 minutes. Now, distance is equivalent to speed into time. What is the speed here? 100. What is the time taken here? 1 hour 12 minutes. We should convert this minutes into hour. So, 1 hour 12 by 60 in the sense. This is 1 12s are 12, 5 12s are 61, 1 by 5 hours. This is the answer. 1 by 5 hours. 1 5s are 5, 5 plus 1, 6 by 5. So, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 0. 20 into 6 is distance is equivalent to 120 km. The car cover 120 km in 1 hour 12 minutes. So, this is the way how we can calculate the distance. And now, Your next question. A car is moving 60 km per hour. How much time does it take to cover a distance of 80 km? So, a car is moving for 1 hour. In this question, for 1 hour, the car covers 60 km. How much time the car should take it moving 80 km? So 1 hour 60 km. For how much time it want to move 80 km? While doing the cross multiplication, 80 into 1 which is equal to 60 into x. This is 3 times and this is 4 times. So 4 by 3. 4 by 3 hours. We should convert this into hour, that is hour value. So 4 by 3 into 60. 20. 4 into 20, 80 minutes. So 80 minutes, how we can write 80 minutes in the name? That is 80 minutes means 1 hour is 60 minutes. Remaining 20 minutes. 1 hour 20 minutes. So this is your answer. The answer is not available here. So none of these is your answer. So 80 minutes, we can convert that 80 minutes into 1 hour having 60 minutes. So the remaining 20 minutes is your, what is that? Your that is 20 minutes. 20 divided by 60 means 20 divided by 60 in the sense. This is 1 by 3. So we can write it either 1 by 3 hours or 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay, and one more point, 1 hour in the sense 60 minutes. So want to convert hour into minutes means we should multiply with 60. So you want to convert minutes into hour means we should divide that value by 60. So keep this in your mind. So whenever you have the speed kilometer per hour means the time should be in hour. If the speed is in the meter per second means your time should be in seconds. If it is in the minutes format means you can convert that into hour value. Okay, we'll move on to your next question. Find the time taken to cover a distance of 125 km by a train moving at a speed of 50 km per hour. So here we need to calculate the time. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. What is your distance here? 125 km. And what is your speed here? 50. There is no problem in this question because 25 km, the speed is available in the kilometer per hour. So we can cancel it. This is 25 means of cancelling it by 25 means this is 2 times and this is 5 times. And 5 by 2 in the sense this is 2.5 kilometer. The car can cover 2.5 kilometer. Hence your option is B. We'll move on to your next question. A train covers a distance of 1250 kilometer in 25 hours. Find the speed of the train. Here we want to find out the speed of the train. Generally the speed of the car, the speed of the man, the speed of the train, whatever it might be, the speed is equivalent to distance divided by time taken. The total distance covered in particular time. So here your distance is 1250 and what is your time taken? 25 hours. So while doing the cancellation, 125s are 25, 525s are 125. So speed is equal to 50 km per hour. Don't forget this, per hour. The train can cover 50 km. Hence your option is C. This is your next question. A person crosses a 600-meter long street in 5 minutes. What is the speed in kilometer per hour? First of all, the speed, actually the speed calculation is distance divided by time taken. Here, what is that? Distance is 600 meter and time taken is 5 minutes. Once the distance or speed is determined, the speed is determined kilometer per hour. 1 hour, the car or the person or the respective vehicle reach this much of kilometer, and speed is measured in another method, that is another way. What is that? Meter per second. So for 1 second, the car or the person or the respective vehicle can cover 1 meter per second. This meter of per second. So now, in this distance is meter, but the time taken is 5 minutes. We should convert that 5 minutes into seconds. So by means of multiplying with 60. So 1 minute having 60 seconds. 5 minutes in the sense 5 into 60, 300 seconds. Now the speed is meter per second. What is the speed here? This is 1 time and this is 2 times. Speed is equal to 2 meter per second. But your question is asking what is the speed in kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour to meter per second. So whenever we need to convert one particular kilometer per hour value into meter per second means we should multiply that value by 5 by 18. How this 5 by 18 is coming means that is 1 kilometer having 1000 meter. 1 hour in the sense how many seconds? 3600 seconds. Now 0 cancel. 5 by 18. So we want to multiply 5 by 18, or else another way, meter per second data to kilometer per hour. There are two ways in your questions. Either you should convert that kilometer per hour to meter per second, or else the meter per second to kilometer per hour. So if you want to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour means you should multiply that value by 18 by 5. Okay, so the speed is 2 meter per second. Now we want to convert that meter per second into kilometer per hour by means of multiplying with 18 by 5. So speed is equal to 36 by 5. So 7 5s are 35. Remainder 1. Remainder 1 in the sense we want to add 1 0, that is 2 5s are 10. 7.2 kilometer per hour. Your answer is option C. This is the example of how we can calculate the time, speed, distance, and how we can calculate the how to change the kilometer per hour data to meter per second and all. So speed is equal to distance divided by time taken, and time is equal to distance divided by speed, and how we can calculate the distance? Distance is equal to speed into time. So once you understand the data, either the distance is meter means the speed should be in meter per second. Either the distance is kilometer means the speed should be in kilometer per hour. So we want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second means we should multiply that value by 5 by 18. Similarly, vice versa. Meter per second to kilometer per hour means we should multiply that value by 18 by 5. This is the basic examples of how we can calculate the time, speed, distance. Thank you for watching.